Welcome back to Diecast Race Wars, Tournament 1, Heat 2. In Heat 1, Toon Tracks Racing driving the Ford GT secured his spot in the semis. Let's look at today's drivers. First up, we have Po Boy Racing driving the 2008 Lancer. And the next competitor is Riley Fuller 225 driving the Nissan Skyline GT. The first car to win 3 races secures a spot in the semi-finals.
Race 1. Winner, Po Boy Racing. Replay.
Nice, clean, even start down the back there. Bit of jostling. Po Boy goes up high. Oh, and he gets some nice speed coming out of turn 1. The Nissan picks up some late speed going into turn 2. Gets a bit mucked up there on the corner, but it's the Lancer. It's Po Boy in the 2008 Lancer. Nice driving. First points on the board. Po Boy Racing scores his first win in the 2008 Lancer.
Race 2. Winner, Riley Fuller 225. Let's go to the replay.
The Lancer has some nice speed coming out of the gate. Look at that. Oh, he just gets caught up and bang, he's gone. The Lancer's gone and leaves it wide open for the Nissan. Nice driving, Riley, in that Nissan. Well done. Riley Fuller 225 scores a win in Heat 2 in the Nissan Skyline GT.
Race 3. Winner, Riley Fuller 225. Replay.
The Lancer has some speed going down the back into turn 1, goes high, uses all of the track. Bit wobbly there. Here comes Riley in the Nissan. He goes down low. Beautiful driving. Sees the finish line and says, "Mate, I'm taking this." The Lancer's not happy. Congratulations, Riley. There's another point on the board in the mighty Nissan.
Race 4. Winner, Po Boy Racing driving the 2008 Lancer. Replay.
Might need some track maintenance up there. They're a bit wobbly. Look at the Lancer. He's just all over the track. Just loves the wide open lanes here. He likes hitting them though. Here he comes down the straight for his second win. An easy, convincing win by the 2008 Lancer, driven by Po Boy Racing. Some excellent driving here in Mount Western Raceway. Po Boy Racing ties them all up at 2-2.
Race 5. Winner, Po Boy Racing in the 2008 Lancer. Let's go to the replay.
Check out this little manoeuvre by the Lancer. He just ducks in front of the Nissan. He's lucky to come out of that turn 1. He's got the Nissan right on his tail. He's slamming into the walls, and here comes the Nissan trying to overtake. Oh, sloppy driving, but hey, a win is a win. Congratulations, Po Boy. You are through to the semi-finals. Interesting racing here on Mount Western Raceway. Well, there you go. Po Boy Racing, he goes through to the semi-finals. Riley Fuller 225, we will see you again in the race for third place. Congratulations, Po Boy Racing, driving the 2008 Lancer. You're through to the semi-finals. With 2 more heats in the Diecast Race Wars, who will go through to the semi-finals? I'm Hot Car Track, and this is Diecast Race Wars. Thanks for watching.